chutties, how are you all? Today we are going to learn more words from letter P to T. Are you ready? Shall we revise the sounds? P sounds P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T. Shall we see the words now? P sounds P, P sounds P, P. Pumpkin, P, pumpkin, P, pineapple, P, pineapple, P, parrot, P, parrot, P, pig, P, pig. Shall we revise this? P, pumpkin, P, pineapple, P, parrot, P, pig. Now next letter after P. Yes, letter Q. Letter Q. Q sounds Q. Q sounds Q. Shall we see the words? Q, quill, Q, quill, Q, quail, Q, quail, Q, quilt, Q, quilt, Q, quite, Q, quite. Now we are going to revise this. Q, quilt, Q, quail, Q, quill, Q, quite. Now next letter after Q. Yes, letter R. R sounds R. R sounds R. Shall we revise this? R, rose, R, rose, rainbow, rainbow, ring, ring, rocket, rocket. Revise this now. Rose, rainbow, rocket, ring. Now next letter after R. Yes, you are right. Letter yes. Letter yes. S. Yes sounds S. Shall we see the words? S. Spider, spider, squirrel, squirrel, sun, sun, sunflower, sunflower. Shall we revise this? Spider, squirrel, sun, sunflower. Now next letter after yes. Yes, letter T. Letter T. T sounds T. T sounds T. Shall we see the words now? Tent, tent, train, train, tree, tree, tomato, tomato. Shall we revise this? Tent, train, tree, tomato. Now we learned letters P, Q, R, S, T. After this class, you should revise this again at home, okay? If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.